Ma'am, this carpet in D.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Yes. Okay. So
Okay,
leave
ma'am.
that many places if your fair book is not complete till here. And then from question 2, write
Okay, ma'am.
with me
Ma'am.
in fair book. Who with the fair book? Yes.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, question number. Ma'am. Hello,
Who
ma'am.
with the fair book? Yes.
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 12A कहाँ से करने का है?
12A. 12A. This one, no? Question 1 we had done. This one we have done.
मैम
Question 1. Yes.
मेरा क्वेश्चन वन हो गया तो कितने पेज छोड़ू?
हाँ, so you don't have to leave pages. जिसका notes हो गई हो question 1 हो गया हो उसको पेज नहीं छोड़ने. They have to
हेलो
do question 2 with me.
हेलो मैम
हाँ.
मैम मेरा क्वेश्चन वन बाकी है तो क्या करूँ?
Question 1 बाकी है तो और leave 1 or 2 pages. 2 pages. Leave 2 pages.
ओके मैम.
I have sent the PDF. So finish from that or orally. Okay.
मैम अभी आप जो करवाते हैं वो भी भेजोगे?
हाँ, but then also right now doing the fair book only after leaving 2 pages.
ओके मैम.
Okay. So hope fair book doubts are clear. And if you have, you can ask regarding fair book. So first we are revising. So who will say that in square how many sides are same?
Ma'am, 4 sides.
Huh, 4 sides. Are same or equal. Here equal word is used. You can see. So read
Hmm.
this together, everyone.
All sides are equal.
And what about other students? You can't read this.
हेलो मैम.
Huh?
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में क्या करने का है?
वो भी मैं समझा रही हूँ उससे पहले ये रिवीजन कर लेना.
ओके मैम.
हाँ, so other student you also read in square.
All sides
Sorry.
in square, all sides are equal.
हाँ. So
All sides are equal.
हाँ, so in square all sides are equal. Up, right, down, left, everything. That's why formula of perimeter is 4 multiplied
By
by side or length
side.
of side. You can whether you can write length of side or only side. Okay, but in textbook it is given length of side. Okay, that's why formula is this. Okay, because all sides are same. And here it is written about rectangle. That in rectangle which sides are same?
In rectangle, opposite sides are equal.
Equal or same. You can whether say same or equal. Both are same. So these both are breadth and these both up and down are length.
Length.
Means opposite are same. And
Same.
that's why formula of perimeter is this. Okay?
2 multi
Time length
2
and
length plus b.
huh.
Length
Okay,
plus
that's why
breadth.
formula is this because 2 time length is there and 2 time breadth is there in the shape. Okay? Now, if I will ask now that why the formula is 2L plus B, then you have to tell me that ma'am in the shape up and down two length, right and left two breadth. That's why formula is this. Even in
Okay, ma'am.
and we can ask you. So you must have answer. So now we are starting. Again revise the formula.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone
Perimeter,
huh.
perimeter of square is equals to 4 multiplied by length of side.
And other students please read one time.
Ma'am, but 4 multiplied by side.
Side by side.
No, perimeter.
That what is written? 4 multiply by side or length of side, both are same.
Okay.
So please, other students, read one time formula.
Perimeter of square is equals to 4 multiplied by length of side.
Option equal to 4 is equal to length of side.
Rehan, you have to repeat after me. I am saying perimeter of square
Perimeter of
Perimeter of
square
square
is equals to
is equals
is
to
equal to
4 multiplied by length of side.
4 multiplied
4
by length of
multiplied
side.
by length of side.
Now I will hide this and someone has to say orally. So let me see who can.
Ma'am, Hasan. Ma'am, Pariyana Shafiqan. Ma'am, Hasan.
Then second one,
Ma'am, Hasan.
Okay, Rehan will start. Rehan. Say Rehan. What is the formula? Perimeter of square equals to?
perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiply of side, length of side.
Length of side. Very good. Very good. Excellent.
Thank you.
Now after Rehan, Shafiq.
Yes, ma'am.
Say that formula orally.
Perimeter of side.
Perimeter of? Which shape was that? Perimeter of?
Perimeter of square
Yes. Is equals to?
is equal to 4 length.
मल्टीप्लाई भी आता है ना 4 मल्टीप्लाई
4 multiplied by length
length
of perimeter.
नो पेरीमीटर ही ढूंढना है
Ma'am, length of side.
हाँ so now again I'm giving 2 minutes everyone will read this compulsory first Hasan you read one time
Yes, ma'am. Perimeter of square is equals to 4 multiplied by length of side.
now next name Hasan you say who is there that who can read this
Ma'am, Pariyana
Yes,
can
ma'am.
read. Sama Muhammad Zaid. Ma'am, I am
अरे Hasan is telling me one name that student Hasan say the next name
Sama Muhammad Zaid. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Samira Ghayal.
means Ghayal Zaid हाँ Ghayal Zaid read this one time
पहले वाला है ना
हाँ ये
प्राइम मीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर फॉर
equals to
लेंथ
is equal
is equal to 4 multiplication length of side.
हाँ very good next name
Yes, ma'am. Sajid Barucha.
okay Mahir read this
Perimeter of square
is equals to
is equal to 4 multiply length of side.
now everyone please learn this Mahir also learn this and Zaid also
Yes,
Hasan
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
next name
Yes, ma'am.
मैम 9 बज गए यार
so
और बिलखिया
Yash read this
मैं मेरिट कर और मंगोरी of square
is equals to
equals to 4x length of side.
this is not, wait this is not x this is multiply by okay
Yes.
now say once more time or Arsh read
Perimeter
one
square is equal to multiply 4 multiply length of side.
very good now learn this okay next name Hasan
Yes, ma'am. Sama Muhammad Zaid.
okay Zaid read this
Hey, Shanti. Perimeter of square is equal for multiply length of the side.
now you have to learn it next
Arman Gori.
Arman, read this one time.
Yes, ma'am. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiply length of side.
Very good. Excellent. Now next name.
Ahad.
Ahad, read this one time.
Ma'am,
Read this one time.
perimeter of square equals to 4 multiplied by length of side.
You also now learn. Next name, Hassan.
Yes, ma'am. Ghazi Jivani.
Ghazi, read this one time.
Perimeter of square is equal 4 multiply length of side.
Very good. Next name.
Yes. Shafiq.
Shafiq, read this one time.
Perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiply length of side.
Very good. Next name.
Raj Musani.
Musani Kef. Kef, read this one time. Kef, are you listening? You just have to read this and then you have to learn.
Yes, ma'am.
Read this one time.
मैं खा रहा हूँ.
ले थोड़ा ब्रेक नहीं ले सकते हो खाने में से सिर्फ 1-2 मिनट का ब्रेक है
हाँ, yes, yes, yes.
हाँ और यू कैन रिपीट आफ्टर मी मैं बोलूँ ना उसके बाद तू बोलना पेरीमीटर
Perimeter
ऑफ
of
स्क्वायर
square
इज इक्वल्स टू
is equals to
4
4
मल्टीप्लाई बाय
multiply by
लेंथ
length
ऑफ
of
साइड
side.
हाँ वेरी गुड हसन नेक्स्ट नेम
Yes, ma'am. Rehan Sheikh.
रेहान रीड दिस वन टाइम ओके नेक्स्ट नेम
Yes, ma'am. Muhammad Hussain Ansari.
अंसारी रीड दिस वन टाइम Ansari Mohammed. Or you are also eating. Ansari Mohammed, are you busy? Because without learning this, you will not able to solve question 2. Now anyone is left, Hassan? Anybody is left?
Yes, ma'am. Two.
Who?
Ayaz and Muhammad Raza Nayani.
Ayaz read. Ayaz knows. Can say this orally. Ayaz, your turn.
Yes, ma'am. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiply by length of side.
Okay, very good. Then Muhammad Raza. Muhammad Raza.
Perimeter of square 4 length of side.
Multiply by length of side. So this we will use in question 2. This. Okay. So in this question 2 we'll use this. So first we are solving A. Number A. So you give this heading in your fair book. Everyone give the heading and write this much. And then tell me after you finish that I can solve.
मैम क्या लिखने का है?
In your fair book give the heading question 2
Yes.
and then perimeter of square A means answer A.
मैम side of square in centimeter वो नहीं लिखने का?
Table na?
Yes.
No, that table you don't have to write. Just write page number. और टेक्स्ट बुक ना हो तो पूरा लिखना पड़ेगा. टेक्स्ट बुक हो तो नहीं. Do you have textbook?
Yes.
Then don't write. Just write the page number from your textbook. And if you don't have textbook, then afterward you can draw this table and write the table. Finish this much and tell me.
Ma'am, can I say that what we have do in this exercise?
नहीं.
मैम वो 3, 5, 11, 18, 25 वो वाला टेबल नहीं लिखने का है ना?
No. This table, no. This is question. That is given in the textbook also.
ma'am, answer?
This is answer one I'm telling you. We will count here. अभी हम
Okay, ma'am.
करेंगे.
तो मैम क्वेश्चन नहीं लिखने का है ना?
नहीं.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I say what we
Normal
have
one
done?
go return.
Very good.
Hassan, can say?
No.
Can I say number
Ma'am?
A? Arman Gauri.
Ma'am, here hint is given.
हाँ.
Ma'am,
Yes.
which page number is?
I don't know. Someone please say no. Which page number is this?
177.
One
And one
seven.
sir, can I say?
Ma'am, second answer, can I say Hassan?
But everyone please maintain the fair book. Write in the fair book only.
Okay, okay.
Everyone can say together to me that we have to count the square. Which square? A, B, C, D. Which square?
A.
A. So we have to see which square A, which is
A.
given.
Ma'am, can I say
The
Arman Gauri?
formula what we want here.
Perimeter of square.
Huh. And in the
Number
formula,
3.
4 multiplied by length of side.
so here what is length of side in A, square A?
3.
Huh. Because here headings are given, so carefully see the heading. Okay.
Hint is also.
Ahad, tell me which two headings are given in the table. Ahad,
Side of square in centimeter and perimeter in square centimeter.
who said the answer?
Shafiq.
Shafiq.
वाह, नेम चेंज कर दिया शफीक तूने. मैंने अहद को बोला. Okay, Ahad, now you can repeat this.
Ma'am, can I say what we have do in this exercise?
Yes,
First,
ma'am. I have gone for drinking water.
okay. Ahad, tell me in the table which are two headings.
Side of square in centimeter, perimeter in centimeter.
And in the table here nothing is given, means blanks are there. Means we have to find perimeter. तो टेबल में
Yes.
दिया क्या है? कौन सी चीज दी है? टेबल में.
Side of square in centimeter and perimeter in centimeter.
मैम इधर कोई बोलने ही नहीं देते यार. अरे वेट.
Hasan, next time if I will say
Ma'am,
What,
that's
ma'am?
really Shafiq.
ये नहीं समझ में आता.
तो सी द टेबल है. तो कब डाउट पूछोगे? मैं सामने से बोला उसके बाद. This is the problem that you are not asking the doubt. So this is the table, this is the question. अब ये क्वेश्चन में A B C D जो है वो क्या है? Who will say?
Ma'am, Hassan,
ये दो नंबर्स है.
this is side of square in centimeter.
Wait, here it is given.
This is the square is 4 side, so that a centimeter. So is that in
The heading.
4 sides these squares. Find the perimeter of these squares.
Ahad.
Oh, yeah.
यस मैम ये आंसर
First
ये पता ही नहीं. Perimeter of square.
तो स्क्वायर मीन्स ये जो दिए है ना ABCD वो स्क्वायर्स है. ओके. स्क्वायर्स के नेम है.
Okay.
Squares here sides measure of sides are given. कि स्क्वायर A में 3 सेंटीमीटर की साइड है. B में 5 सेंटीमीटर की साइड है. C स्क्वायर है उसमें 11 सेंटीमीटर की साइड्स है. तो हमें क्या ढूंढना है?
Only centimeter. A perimeter in centimeter. Perimeter.
Ahad say what we have to find. Here in the table these are
Perimeter.
So again now I'm repeating for the students also that these A, B, C, D, E, F, G that are square, and here it is given that in square A this 3 means के 3 centimeter की सब side है, and we have to find perimeter using formula. So that's why I told you to learn formula. So hope everyone have learned. Everyone has learned, no? Or not? Who has learned the
One.
formula?
Arman, go.
Yes, ma'am. Learn.
Okay.
Ma'am, Pariyan and
Learn.
Shafiq. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Pariyan and
yes.
Shafiq learn.
Ma'am, I understood this question. This all question, Hassan.
Very good. Another
Ma'am,
student?
we are learning.
But
Ma'am,
let
I
me ask.
understood.
But you have learned the formula, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Learn.
ma'am.
Other student. You all told me. Arman said, then Rehan also, then Hassan also, Shafiq also. Then what about other student? You have not learned the formula?
Ma'am, I have learned Vidayas.
Okay. Good.
Ma'am, I have learned Gazijali.
Okay. Good. So in answer A, who will say in square A, what is the length of side?
Ma'am, can I say Sir Rehan?
Yes,
Can
Rehan.
I say Arman?
Well.
Ma'am, 4 multiplied by 3.
Huh. So here the formula is already given, and in the formula 4 is already given. So we have to put this 3. 4 multiplied by 3. 4 multiplied by 3. What will be the answer?
12.
12.
12.
Ma'am, can I say second no,
Wait. You
square
all,
B answer?
now you all
Hassan.
answer B in the book.
Ma'am,
Then who will finish first will do. But honestly tell me that whether you
Ma'am,
have
can I say
the fair book
number
or
B?
not. Yes.
Can I say number B, ma'am?
Nee, first everyone will finish in the fair book A and B both. Then after finishing you can tell me.
Okay, ma'am.
I will finish first in the fair book will.
Ma'am,
Yes.
but ma'am, my notebook is why I have to written in that note.
Leave the pages I told you.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I'm rubbing this A. So who will say about B?
Ma'am,
Arman,
Hassan.
go.
Then
Ma'am,
so
Pariyan and Shafiq.
Hassan you say.
Ma'am, can I say yes?
After
Yes, ma'am.
Arman, after
Then
Arman,
work is done.
Shafiq, and after Shafiq, yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Gazijali.
Ma'am, square B, there is centimeter is give 5.
Yes.
In square, 4 side is there. In one side up, down 5. Left, right 5. So we multiplied 5 fours.
Huh.
So answer is 20.
Yes, very good. So whose answer is right? Those who have tried this, please match your answer.
Ma'am, Sir
Ma'am,
Rehan answer
Hassan
is
answer is
correct.
Ma'am,
right.
Arman
My
answer is
answer is
right.
right with the yes.
Very good. Okay. Now shall I rub this and shall we start C?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, मेरा बाकी है. Ma'am, मेरा बाकी है.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. But Shafiq, after you finish, please tell me that I can rub this. हो जाए फिर फटाफट बोलना.
When will be the result?
I think so next week.
Okay.
And fair book checking.
Who is asking?
Odd.
Dolia.
पर तेरी फिर बुक कहाँ कंप्लीट होती है? मतलब मैथ्स
Ma'am,
की.
हाँ, इस बार कंप्लीट हो. इस बार
अच्छा
कंप्लीट
इसीलिए
हो.
इसीलिए पूछ रहा है. वरना नहीं पूछता. I
Ma'am,
about
done. Ma'am, done. Pariyan and Shafiq.
Ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, but in
Ma'am,
maths
done.
fair,
Pariyan and Shafiq.
that we write all the notes and all that we write in fair book. And exam you asked other question. So in the online lecture we understood properly.
Yes.
So we not write in fair book.
Now who will? I think so. Whose turn? I said Arman. I think so. Said Arman.
Yes,
Your
ma'am.
turn.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you have to tell me that in square C, what is the method
Okay, ma'am.
in square C?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in C, 4 multiplied by 11 is equal to answer 44 centimeters.
Very good. So match your answer, other students.
Ma'am, in exam we have to see method also, na?
Yes.
Ma'am,
But
second answer is right.
Hassan, this time I think so offline exam or maybe that supplementary. So you have to write full method, no? Like in Diwali homework also you have written a full method that way. Because now I don't think so online exam will be there. I think so.
हेलो मैम हेलो मैम
Means of
बोलो.
मैम आपने कुछ वो मेहंदी स्कूल ग्रुप में वो 9 से 9:30 तक कुछ सप्ली का रीड करने का है
नहीं मैंने नहीं डाला, रूबी मैम ने डाला है वो.
तो
Spell
उसमें
bee
क्या
complete.
करने का
Yes,
है
ma'am, that spelling exam.
Spell bee means के wrong spelling also will be given and right spelling also will be given. You have to select. तीन चार एक ही वर्ड के लिए तीन चार स्पेलिंग हो गए, एक ही वर्ड के लिए तीन चार स्पेलिंग, उसमें से राइट वाला तुमको सिलेक्ट करना है वैसे.
तो मैम कब है वो रात को
हाँ
है
हाँ हाँ 9 to 9:30. हाँ
ma'am.
तो मैम
Means
आज ही ना
हाँ हाँ
मैम
हाँ
वो लिंक डालेगी ना रूबी मैम
हाँ डालेंगे.
ओके मैम
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am that now offline exam or supplementary given. That supplementary we have to do in house, home or in school.
I think so that government is planning offline exam, so maybe they will call you at school only. But maybe there is not possibility that at home they will maybe call you at school only.
हेलो
Then
मैम
yes,
मैम 22 डेट से स्कूल खुल जाती है हमारी
ना हम लोग के भी बहुत दूर है. पहले 8th स्टैंडर्ड, फिर 7th, फिर 6th, फिर 5th स्टैंडर्ड.
ओके मैम
Yes,
मार्च में खुलेगी स्कूल.
I don't know. Maybe for exam they will call you. सिर्फ एग्जाम के लिए बुलाएंगे. फिर स्कूल तो पता नहीं कब खुलेंगे. एग्जाम के लिए तो आई थिंक सो अप्रैल में बुला ही देंगे, अप्रैल में पता नहीं.
Okay.
Now I'm changing this. We are studying question D. And whose turn I said for answer D?
शफीक
हाँ शफीक से.
My
In square D, what is the measurement of that side?
18 plus
हाँ.
18 plus 18 plus 80
That also you can do 18 four time or you can multiply 18 multiply by 4. So tell me 18
मैम
multiply.
आंसर इज 72 सेंटीमीटर.
But tell me this multiplication answer also. 8 fours are
36
है 36.
8 4
ma'am
8 4 जा
हाँ
is voice break.
32
yes. So 2 here, 3 up. Then 4 ones are
4
and plus 3.
7
72. So 72 is the answer. So whose answer is right?
मैम शफीक
Okay.
Ma'am, my
Ma'am,
Gazi
also,
Jivan.
ma'am,
The answer is right.
ma'am,
Ma'am, answer is right.
Second one is right.
Okay. Rehan, Arman, Hassan, Ghazi, and Shafiq. These 5 students. Very good. And other students, if your answer is not right or if you have doubt, please ask me right now. Or shall I take each other's name? Each and every one student's name. Then only you will ask the doubt. I really don't know why are you not asking the doubt, or why are you not trying, or why are you not speaking. Okay, so let's start E. So finish fast in the fair book.
Ma'am,
And
after
who's
that, oh yes, yes.
and whose turn now?
Yes, ma'am, that only, oh yes.
Ma'am, turn is there with the yes.
Okay. So you have to tell me that in square E, your side of square means the length of side, or how much is given here in that table for square E.
Ma'am, but who will say? I or Muhammad Raza?
You only say, because he never said Muhammad Raza that he wants to say.
Yes. 25 multiplied by 4.
Yes. So whether you can do multiplication sum or orally, whichever way. Okay. So we'll do whole multiplication sum only. So Ayaz, help me.
Yes. 2 carry and 0 down.
Yes.
Then 4 to the 8 plus 2, so 10.
Yes.
So 1.
Hmm. Whose answer is right?
Arman. My answer is right with the yes.
Ma'am, second answer is right. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Okay.
Safiq answer is
do
So you can try other sums in homework, and I will send the PDF that you can match your answer. Okay.
Okay.
And hope next time all the students will give the answer, because it is very bad that some students are not giving answer, not asking the doubt. Okay, so next time hope everyone will give the answer. Mahir, you also, Tawfiq, then
okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Shafiq is giving only, but other students. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Then
ma'am.
also